Hola mi gente, hola mi gente, hola mi gente, hola mi gente, hola mi gente. What is good, YouTube fam? My name is Ryan, the Bearded Baron, and you are watching the Bearded Network. Yes, where our primary focus is men's beard care. Yes, we're going to be giving you the best products, testing them out from all over the globe, making sure that you are looking 100% every single day. So let's get right into it. Today's episode 1, how to dye your beard properly. That is right, how to dye your beard properly. Make sure you hit that subscribe button at the bottom and let's get right into it. Now, men, what are you doing? You're doing it all wrong, and I'm going to teach you the right way to do it to make sure that color lasts under the worst conditions based on your active lifestyle. Let's go! Yes, that's right. Clairol. Clairol, that's what we're using today. To me, it is the safest way to dye your beard. You just go to the supermarket, you find that lovely lady that matches your complexion, and you purchase it. Super affordable. There's not a million-step process that you have to take, and it's simple. But before we get started, what we are going to do is use a fantastic product, which is Palo Santo Cremo beard oil. What we're going to do is massage our skin with this oil. That is going to make the dye easier to wash off. So, let's take some of the oil here, put it in our hands. Okay, just like so. And what we want to do is just massage the skin. Put that in there. Very nice. Make sure it's getting there. Make a funny face. Take a nice dab, make sure you fill your palm, just like that. Make sure you get a decent amount on there. It's alright if your face looks a little greasy, it's not a big deal. You gotta wash it off. Just give your face a little slap, there we go. Look at that. Yes. Alright, step 2, we are going to use number 1, the color cream and the color activator. Let's mix those together. This goes in here. Squeeze. Shake the bottle for those lonely nights. Shake it just like so. And now the fun part, we're gonna take this here and squeeze it onto the glove. Now that you've used the beard oil, you should be 100% confident with putting this onto your skin, just like so. Put it on here. Don't be afraid to get it in there. It's all good. Now, the reason why I just do the whole beard is because I just like to make sure it's all even, you know? There. Shove it under it. Like so. Shout out to Hand Talk Barbershop. My man Jeff always giving me a fresh ass Dominican shape up. Damn near perfect. Man is a genius when it comes to the blade. Now fellas, always remember, you don't want to miss any spot. Make sure you get that in. Don't worry if it gets on your face a little. If it goes outside your line, it's okay. It's not bad for your skin. Plus we used that beard oil, so we are protected. Okay, part 3. So now we are ready to take a shower. Wash all this stuff off my face because it doesn't look too good right now. Now, after you wash your body, what I usually like to do is wash my body with hot water first, whatever your preference is, and then the fun part, turn the water on ice cold. Hopefully you'll be able to handle this. If not, you're missing out. Once you put it on ice cold, you're going to use this entire bottle on your face, and you're going to scrub it into your skin, all the parts where you have little dark spots on. You're going to scrub it in really good. Rub it in nice, rinse it off. Use the entire thing until this is gone. And after that, what you're going to do once this bottle is completely gone and you've washed everything down, you are going to then use some of this beard softener by Cremo, Palo Santo. Fantastic product. And you're going to wash your face with that, still using ice cold water. You're going to thank me at the end. It's going to be torturous, but of course part of the recovery process. If you're in the gym, it's always good to take a nice cold shower. So do that method. It's going to be good. Okay, so out of the shower, fresh, followed all the steps, took an ice cold shower. And for the last step, what I usually like to do is use the Cremo Beard and Scruff Cream by Palo Santo. Excellent product. And what we're going to do right now is, this is a nice cooling cream. It just cools it down. Just cools the whole beard down. You know, real good for your skin. You know, just nice cooling effect. It's going to get some moisture to the beard. You know, just an overall good thing to do. You know, especially after a process. It's like cooling down. You know, this feels amazing on my face right now. Really good for your skin. Opening up some pores. Really good stuff. This is what you want to use right here. Alright. Mustache. Alright. You know, let it cool down. Cool your face down a bit. You know. Once it's cooled down, give it a little brush. You don't want to put too much on your face like this, but this is just for after the process. Alright. Open up those pores a bit. Take a towel. Just get it all like that. Good to go. Okay, so this has a really lightweight feel. Beard feels extremely soft. Skin feels soft and cool. It's like a cooling effect to this product here. Very cool stuff. I give it an A+ for sure. And everything feels nice and soft, silky smooth. Guys, I want to thank you for joining. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. I'm your host, Ryan the Beard Baron, and this is the Beard Network. See you soon. See, I ain't the same nigga that you knew from way back then.